Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna deep dive on a short view of crypto taxes in the UK in just 2 minutes. If you trade cryptocurrencies or earn crypto income in the UK, it is important to understand how the HMRC treats crypto for tax purposes. And to keep things efficient, here's a clear and compact overview of the most important rules you need to know. Cryptocurrencies are treated as an asset, and disposing them can trigger capital gains tax. A taxable disposal occurs when you sell crypto for pounds or another fiat currency, exchange one cryptocurrency for another, or use crypto to pay for goods and service. If you make a profit, it's subject to capital gains tax. You can take advantage of an annual tax-free capital gain allowance of £3,000. If your total gains exceeds this amount, the excess becomes taxable. The tax rate applied depending on your income level. Capital gains on cryptos are taxed at 18% or 24%, depending whether you are basic rate or high rate taxpayer. Remember, the HMRC uses specific cost basis rules to calculate crypto gains. Disposals are matched using the same-day rule, the 30-day rule, and the Section 104 pooling method, which averages the acquisition cost of your holdings. In addition to capital gains, there are also taxable crypto income events. This includes income from mining, staking, lending, and as well airdrops if you did something in return to receive them. Crypto income is taxed as income at the time you received it, based on its market value in pounds. Here, the standard personal allowance of £12,570 applies. The income tax rate depends on your total annual income and can range from 0 up to 45%. If you later sell crypto that you originally received as income, that sale may trigger capital gains tax again based on the increased value since you received it. And before we wrap it up, one more important thing. Under the DAC 8 and CARF regulations, crypto exchanges will be required to report transactions data to the tax authorities. What it means for UK users and how it affects reporting in practice is explained in detail in a separate video. Check it out here. And that's it for today. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions down in the comments. We will answer them all. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.